So in the previous session, we have discussed about what is Salesforce, why organizations or companies use Salesforce, what are the various products which are offered by Salesforce to their customers, who are the prominent customers of Salesforce. Also, we have discussed the career opportunities in Salesforce and what is its future scope. And as part of this curriculum, we are going to discuss about the 3 modules. First one is Salesforce Admin. It is also called as configuration part. So today we will start this admin or configuration part with the introduction. Okay, now cloud computing and Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Okay. We have discussed what is CRM yesterday. It is a combination of practices, strategies, and technologies that organizations or companies use in order to manage their customers and customer relationship and arrange or manage the customer in an organized way. Okay. And we came to know that Salesforce is a CRM application. So now let us discuss about the introduction to this cloud computing and Salesforce CRM in the today's session. There are 2 types of applications in IT industry as discussed yesterday. One is on-premise and second one is on-demand applications. They are also called as cloud applications. What do you mean by on-premise applications? On-premise applications are those applications which require the pre-installation of the software in the local device. That is, without installing software in the local device, we cannot use these applications. I have given some examples also yesterday, like mobile applications, MS Office, media players, operating systems, Adobe Reader, programming languages like C, C++, Java, .NET. Okay, databases like Oracle database, SQL Server, all these are examples for on-premise applications. Without installing software in the local system, we cannot use these applications. Okay, now, so what are the drawbacks of these on-premise applications? So the drawbacks are, it requires installation of the software or pre-installation of the software in the local system. Second one is all the devices may not support installation. So because all the devices may not support the installation, that is, some of the softwares may not be supported by some devices like mobile, okay, or tabs may not support some applications. So whenever the devices are not supporting the installation of the software, that means we are losing the customers and business. Losing the business means losing the revenue and losing the profit. This is one drawback. Second drawback is upgradation problem. So suppose you have installed any software in your local system. Suppose if a new version of that software is released, so every time you have to upgrade that software in your device in order to access the new features of that new version. Without upgradation, you cannot access the latest version of that software. That means every time the company is providing a new release or a new version of the software. So every time we need to upgrade that into our local system. Okay, then only we will be able to access the latest features given in that new version of that software. Okay, so these are some of the drawbacks of these on-premise applications. To overcome these drawbacks, in IT industry, we have one more type of application, that is on demand. They are also called as cloud application, which do not require any installation of the software. And we can access these cloud applications by using browser and internet. Yesterday, we have discussed this point. You no need to install any software in the local system. Just by using browser and internet, we can access these applications. Okay, we know almost all the devices nowadays support internet and browser as well. They have, most of the devices have inbuilt browsers. Okay, so we can access these cloud applications just by using browser and internet. Next, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is not a software. It is a technique, or it is a concept which provides the various approaches of accessing IT resources over the internet by paying the rental amount to the vendor. So suppose if you are using any software like Java or .NET, so what is the first thing you have to do? You have to get the license of the software from them. Okay, first you have to get the license of the software by paying huge amount. Okay, by investing huge amount, you have to get the license of the software. So once you get the license, you are going to install that software in your local system, and you are going to start working using that software. And every time, whenever they are providing new version, you have to upgrade that software by paying some amount to that organization. But here, in case of cloud applications, you no need to pay, or you no need to invest any money. Just by paying some rental amount to the vendor, we can access the applications by using browser and internet. Okay, so cloud computing is a concept which provides the different approaches or various approaches of accessing IT resources over the internet by paying rental amount to the vendor. Like suppose if you are new, if you have come to Hyderabad to join some organization for your job, so immediately, are you going to buy a flat? You are new to Hyderabad, Monday you are joining in some office. So what you are going to do? Immediately are going to buy a flat today itself by investing, or by paying some 80 lakhs or 90 lakh rupees. No, what you will be doing? You will be taking some house or flat for rent by paying that rent to that owner. In the same way here also, just by paying some rental amount to the vendor, we can access this cloud applications over the browser and internet. You don't need to invest lakhs or millions of rupees. Just by paying some rental amount to the vendor, we can access this cloud applications. Okay. Now, who are the various cloud vendors? So in IT industry, there are so many cloud vendors. Not only Salesforce, we have so many cloud vendors like I have listed out here. These are the various cloud vendors in IT industry like Amazon, Salesforce, Google, IBM, Oracle, Microsoft. Like this, we have got so many IT vendors, out of which Salesforce is also a vendor, that is cloud vendor, who is providing who is offering various products to their customers. And whatever the products that are offered by Salesforce to their customers, they are purely cloud applications only. They are not at all offering any on-premise applications to their customers. Till now, whatever the products they have offered, all are purely cloud applications. Okay. Salesforce. Now, what is Salesforce? Salesforce .com is an organization established in the year 1999 by a person called Mark Benioff, purely offering cloud services. So it is not a new organization. So it is established in the year March 1999. It was started by a person called Mark Benioff. Okay. And as I said, they purely offer only cloud services. They are no more or they are not at all offering any on-premise applications to their customers. Whatever the products, services provided by Salesforce are purely cloud services. Okay. Now, what are the various cloud services or various cloud computing models we have? First, let us discuss that before we go into the actual content. So now let me explain what are the various cloud computing models we have in IT industry. We have 3 cloud computing models. Is anyone aware? What are the various cloud computing models we have? First one is software as a service. In short, we call it as SaaS. Second one is platform as a service. We call it as PaaS. And third one is infrastructure as a service. We call it as IaaS, infrastructure as a service. These are the 3 cloud computing models we have in IT industry. Now, what exactly we mean by software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service, we will discuss now in the today's session. Okay, now. So what do you mean by software as a service? The first cloud computing model is software as a service. What do you mean by software as a service? Software as a service, the name itself says. That means this cloud computing model provides a ready-made software. It provides a ready-made software in order to, software as a service provides ready-made software to their customers. So as part of the software as a service, Salesforce is also offering or providing a ready-made software or CRM application to their customers. Okay, so as part of this cloud computing model, Salesforce is providing a ready-made CRM application. It is providing a ready-made CRM application to their customers. Okay, so as part of this cloud computing model. So that ready-made CRM application, we call it as Salesforce CRM. It is nothing but called as Salesforce CRM. Okay, so we have so many CRM applications in the market. Like some of the CRM applications I have listed out here, like Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft CRM, Siebel CRM, Infor CRM, Synergy CRM, NetSuite CRM, Oracle CRM, SAP CRM, Microsoft CRM, Adobe CRM, etc. Okay, so though there are so many CRM applications, why still people are looking towards Salesforce CRM application? And these are not new CRM applications. They are available in IT industry from so many years. But still, why? Most of the customers are looking for Salesforce CRM application. Why they want to use Salesforce? Because whatever the CRM applications I have given here or I have listed out here, all these are on-premise applications. All these are on-premise applications, and we know what is the drawback of on-premise application. Just now I have listed out the drawbacks. What is the drawback of on-premise application? So we have to install the software in the local system. Maybe all the devices may not support the installation and upgradation problem. Okay, so all the CRM applications, whatever I've listed out here, they are on-premise applications, and they are strictly CRM applications. Strictly CRM means that means you cannot make any customizations. Whatever the CRM application, ready-made application they are providing, strictly you have to use that application. Okay, you cannot make any customizations according to your business requirement. Okay, so these are the drawbacks of all this CRM application. So whereas Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM application, it is not an on-premise, it is a cloud-based CRM application. So now let me explain what are the benefits of this Salesforce CRM application. What benefits it have? So first benefit, as already we know, it is a cloud-based CRM application. So we no need to install any software. Just by using browser and internet, we can access our application. That is the first. Some more benefits I have listed out here. Let me explain. By using Salesforce CRM, we can automate all the existing and new customers' information at one place. Yesterday, we have discussed that point, like Salesforce is offering so many products to their customers. So I have listed out some products like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, App Cloud, Health Cloud, Financial Service Cloud. Okay, so all these are the various products which are offered by Salesforce to their customers. So by using these applications, what we can do, we can automate our business processes. We can automate our business processes. For example, if you take Health Cloud product, by using Health Cloud product, which is offered by Salesforce, what we can automate? The name itself says Health Cloud, means Health Cloud is a product given by Salesforce, particularly for healthcare industry. For healthcare industry, they have provided a new application which is called as Health Cloud, using which we can automate the health related processes of any organization like hospitals, okay, healthcare centers. We can make use of this Health Cloud application or product which is given by Salesforce to automate the processes. So when it comes to hospital, so automating the processes means what does it include? So that means we can automate the patients, or we can store the patient's data. We can store the doctor's information. We can store we can store patients, doctors' interactions, nurses related information, caregivers, medicine related data, pharmacy related data. Everything we can manage by using the Health Cloud application. Okay, that means by using this Salesforce CRM application, we can automate our business processes. It may be any business. Okay, now, second benefit. Salesforce CRM is world's first cloud CRM application. So before Salesforce, we don't have any cloud-based CRM application. All the CRM applications we have are on-premise. Salesforce is the world's first cloud-based CRM application. Okay, next. By using Salesforce CRM, we can automate the sales, service, and marketing processes of organization at one place. So in order to automate the sales processes, what application we can use? Sales Cloud. In order to automate the service processes of any organization, we can make use of Service Cloud. In order to automate marketing processes, we can make use of Marketing Cloud. Okay, so this is one more benefit. We can automate the sales, service, marketing process of any organization at one place. Next. It allows to maintain 360-degree view of the customer at one place. What do you mean by this 360-degree view of the customer? 360-degree view of the customer means, that means we can store complete data of the customer at one place. That means we can store customer basic information, customer contact information, customer opportunity information, that is how much business he has generated with us, All this data we can store at one place, because the same customer may buy product from us today. He may buy product from us after 2 years, again after 4 years, again after 6 years. Like this, he is our customer from past 10 years. So we can store all this opportunity related data at one place. Okay, we can store his basic information, his contact information, and what revenue he has generated with us. Everything we can store at one place. That is nothing but called as 360-degree view of customer in Salesforce. That means we can just at one place, we can view complete data related to the customer. His personal information, that is basic information, contact information, as well as opportunity related information also. Okay, next. That is one more benefit. Fifth one is it provides inbuilt analytic feature, which includes reports and dashboards. Inbuilt analytic feature. Analytic means analysis. Analytic means analyzing the data. So to analyze the data, so by using the Salesforce CRM application, what we are doing, we can automate our business processes. It may be sales, service, or marketing, or whatever it may be. Okay. So in order to analyze the data, whatever the data we have stored, in order to analyze the data, they are providing an inbuilt analytic feature. That means it includes generating the reports and the dashboards also. Like suppose I'm using Sales Cloud application to automate my sales related processes. Okay. It may be any organization, any sales related organization. For example, if you take organization like Bixi, what Bixi will do, we all know what is Bixi. Bixi is an organization who sells the various mobile products. Okay, so maybe they are using Salesforce CRM application, that is Sales Cloud, to automate the sales related processes. They are using Sales Cloud application. By using the Sales Cloud, what they are doing, they are automating their sales related processes, because every day they'll be selling some thousands, hundreds or thousands of mobiles, because they have so many branches throughout the country. Okay, they'll be selling hundreds or thousands of mobiles also. So in order to automate their sales related processes, they are using Sales Cloud application. As an manager or as the head of Big C organization, I want to know how many mobiles were sold today. Every day, night at 10 p.m., I want to get a report. How many mobiles are sold today? Okay, for that, how can we do? How can we get the data? So for that, Salesforce is providing a feature called as analytics feature. That means we can generate the reports. We can generate the report. Okay, so how many mobiles are sold today? Every day, night at 10 p.m., I want to get the data. So for that, I can generate a report. Similarly, every week, I want to get my sales related data. Every month, I want to get my sales related data. That means we can generate daily reports. We can generate weekly reports, monthly reports also based on our requirement. We can generate these reports and we can analyze the data. Not only storing the data, we can analyze the data also by generating the reports. And also, we can represent that report data in the form of chart components, which is nothing but called as dashboard. Okay, so not only representing the data in the form of reports, we can represent that in the form of chart components, that is in pictorial format, by using dashboards. So that just by seeing the dashboard, I can get complete view of my sales related processes of my organization. It may be daily sales, weekly sales, or monthly sales. Just by seeing a single dashboard, single chart, I can get the complete information related to my sales. It may be daily sales or weekly sales or monthly sales also. Okay, so this is also one of the benefit of Salesforce. Okay, we can not only store the data, we can even analyze the data also by generating reports as well as dashboards also. Next benefit. Salesforce CRM is world's #1 leader in CRM space. Yesterday, I have shown you what is the market share of Salesforce in the CRM market. In 2022, what is its market share? So it is 23%. Okay, so that means nowhere, no one is close to Salesforce. Its top 4 competitors market share together is only 19%, whereas Salesforce market share in CRM market alone is 23%. So that is why, okay, it is considered to be world's #1 leader in CRM market. Okay, these are the benefits of Salesforce CRM application. That is why most of the customers wants to use Salesforce CRM application in order to automate their business processes. Clear? That is about the first cloud computing model, that is software as a service. What is software as a service? Software as a service is a cloud computing model as part of which Salesforce is providing a ready-made CRM application called as Salesforce CRM application. Okay. And we have discussed the benefits of Salesforce CRM application. Now, second one. What is the second cloud computing model? Second one is platform as a service. In short, we call it as PaaS, PaaS. Okay, now let me explain what is this platform as a service, what Salesforce provides as part of this cloud computing model. Now let me explain. So, by using the Salesforce CRM application or whatever the products which are offered by Salesforce to their customers, they are not providing, or Salesforce is not providing or offering services or whatever the products that are offered by Salesforce, they cannot be used for all the industries. Okay, for example, if you take Health Cloud product is offered by Salesforce only for healthcare industry. It is a product offered by Salesforce only for healthcare industry to automate the health related processes. Similarly, to automate sales, service, and marketing related processes, we can make use of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, respectively. We have Financial Service Cloud product, particularly for financial organizations and retail banking. They are offering this service, this product to their customers, which we call it as Financial Service Cloud. Okay, like this, whatever the products that are offered by Salesforce, some are particular to an industry. Okay, like Health Cloud is particular only to healthcare industry. Health Cloud product. Similarly, Financial Service Cloud product is particular to financial organizations only, like retail banking. Okay, but it is not, Salesforce is not offering the products for all industries because we have so many industries, like we have banking, insurance, finance, construction, real estate, pharma, manufacturing, textile industry, agriculture, consulting, IT. We have so many industries. Is Salesforce offering products for whatever the products offered by Salesforce is suitable for all these industries? Can I use Health Cloud application to automate my construction related data? Is it possible? No. Can I use Sales Cloud application? No. For my banking industry, can I use Sales Cloud application to automate my banking related process? No. Is there any product which is offered by Salesforce for manufacturing industry or for textile industry? No. That means they have not provided the products for all the industries. Okay, so suppose if any of the construction company wants to use Salesforce CRM application, we have big construction companies. Okay, to automate their business processes, suppose if they wants to use Salesforce CRM, is there any ready-made application provided by Salesforce to automate the construction related activities or processes? No. So in such case, what we have to do? So in such case, we have to build the application for them. Okay, we have to build the application for that construction company. Okay, so because Salesforce is not offering the products for all the industries, suppose if any of the organization like textile industry or construction company, okay, or it may be real estate or whatever it may be, or some pharma company, suppose if they wants to use Salesforce application, then in such case, because we don't have any ready-made CRM application particular to these industries, we have to build that application for them. Okay, in order to build that custom application, okay, because we don't have any ready-made or standard application given by Salesforce for these industries, we have to build those application, so which are called as custom applications. Okay, in order to build the application, we require some platform, right? Without platform, how can you build the application? We require some platform. So in order to build the custom application, so Salesforce is providing a platform which is called as force.com platform. Okay, it is called as force.com platform. Force.com platform. It is a cloud platform to build the custom applications. So in order to build applications, we need some platform. Okay, that platform which is provided by Salesforce is called as force.com platform, and it is also a cloud-based platform. Okay, that means you don't need to install any software. Okay, just by using browser and internet, we can use this force.com platform in order to build the custom application. Clear? Now, so what are the programming languages this force.com platform is providing for us? So platform is called as force.com platform. By using this platform, we can build the custom applications. To build the custom application, we need some programming language, right? Okay, so what programming languages this force.com platform supports? Okay, so it offers two programming languages. One is Apex programming language, which is used to build the custom business logic. Apex, we call it as an Apex programming. It is an object-oriented programming language. It is a cloud-based object-oriented programming language using which we can build or we can write the custom business logic in order to build the custom applications. Okay, and for web application or for user interface design, okay, or in order to build the dynamic user interfaces, so we can make use of Visualforce. We can make use of Visualforce programming language. But already we have discussed yesterday. So nowadays, no one is using Visualforce. So after Visualforce, Salesforce have provided Aura, that is Lightning components in 2014. And in 2018 December, they have introduced one more programming model, that is Lightning Web Components. Okay, so we can use that Lightning Web Components in order to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. Okay, so by using these programming languages, we can build our custom applications for our customers, whatever may be the type of industry. Okay, we can, by using this force.com platform, by using these programming languages, we can build the custom applications based on the business requirements provided by the customer. Okay, next. So what are the benefits of this force.com platform? We can customize the existing CRM application feature. We can extend the application features by adding some additional enhancements. We can build the custom applications based on the business requirement. Like we can build applications for banking, finance, insurance, pharma, manufacturing, e-commerce. Even we can build the CRM application also. For example, we have a CRM called as Viva CRM. So it was purely built on Salesforce platform. Okay, so this Viva CRM was purely built on Salesforce platform. So by using this force.com platform, we can build the custom application for any industry. Okay, for any industry, we can build the custom application. What is this Viva CRM? Viva CRM is a CRM application which is built on this Salesforce platform. It is particular to life sciences industry. For life sciences industry, okay, they have built an application which we call it as Viva CRM. And also we can integrate the Salesforce application with any external system also. By using this force.com platform, we can perform integrations also. That is, we can integrate with our Salesforce application with any external system or any external application. It may be running on any platform. It may be running on Salesforce, or it may be running on Java or .NET or whatever it may be, or SAP, whatever it may be. We can integrate our Salesforce application with some external application in order to exchange some data or to exchange some records. We can perform the integration. Okay. These are the benefits of this platform as a service cloud computing model. I hope it is clear. Okay, now the third one. Third one is infrastructure as a service. The third cloud computing model is infrastructure as a service. What do you mean by infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service is a cloud computing model which provides the infrastructure which is required to store our business specific data or to store our application or organization specific data. Because Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM application, you no need to maintain any server resources in your local. Okay, so whatever the data which will be stored in your application, okay, it will be maintained at the cloud servers. Okay, so this infrastructure as a service is a cloud computing model which provides the required resources in order to store and manage your business or application specific data. Okay, now just a minute. Okay, so this infrastructure as a service provides the required server resources in order to store our business or application or organization specific data and to manage the data as well. Okay, so as part of this cloud computing model, whatever the server resources that are required, okay, will be provided. So for example, storage space, performance features, security of your data, backup of your data and restore as well, disaster recovery. That means in case of any disaster, recovery of your data, upgradations, everything will be provided as part of this infrastructure as a service cloud computing model. Because we no need to maintain any local servers. Okay, the data will be stored in the cloud servers. So the infrastructure required to maintain and manage your data will be provided as part of this infrastructure as a service cloud computing model. Okay, and where are the servers available? Salesforce server resources are available in 3 regions throughout the world. First one is North America region, second one is Europe region, and the third one is Asia Pacific region. These are the 3 regions where Salesforce is maintaining their servers. Okay, North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific region. So depending upon the location, so whenever you are using your Salesforce CRM application, so first of all, you are going to fill up a registration form. to create your login credentials, first of all, you are going to create or you are going to fill up a registration form. I will show you that. Okay, so like for example, let me show that so that you will get the clear picture. So by using this URL, so I will say what is this URL later. So the URL is I've used this URL developer.salesforce.com/signup. So this is the URL which we have to use to create our free developer edition account, Salesforce developer edition. In order to sign up, first of all, we have to fill up this registration form. So like suppose if you are going to create a new Facebook account or Gmail account, it will ask you to enter some details, right? In the same way here also, it is asking to fill up this registration form, like your first name, last name, email address, role, company, country, postal code, okay, username, everything it will ask. So once you enter all these details and click on sign up, so then the next steps will be taken care of. So here while filling up this registration form, here you have to select the country. Okay, here it will ask you to select the country. So based on the country you are going to select here. Okay, so accordingly, memory will be allocated for you in a particular server in that particular region. Suppose here, if you are selecting the country name as India. Okay, suppose here, if you are selecting the country name as India, then so for your organization or for your account, the memory will be allocated in a particular server in which region? In Asia Pacific region. Okay, so Salesforce is maintaining servers in Asia Pacific region. So upon filling the registration form, suppose if you are entering or if you are selecting the country name as India, memory will be allocated for your account or for your organization, okay, in a particular server in Asia Pacific region. Okay, and they are not providing separate server for or dedicated server resources for each of their customers or for each of the organizations. They are providing the shared infrastructure. They are providing shared infrastructure. We will discuss that. Okay, so based on the country name which you are going to select while filling up the registration form, so they are going to allocate the memory for your organization in a particular server in that region. So how much memory will be allocated for your organization or for your account? Everything depends upon the type of the edition you are using. So we will see that later. How much memory space, what are the various editions in Salesforce, how much memory will be allocated based on the type of the edition, we will be discussing going ahead in the coming sessions. Okay, so this is about infrastructure as a service cloud computing model. Okay, so these are the three cloud computing models which are available in IT industry. Okay, what are the three? Software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Software as a service, as part of this software as a service, Salesforce is providing a ready-made CRM application called as Salesforce CRM, using which we can automate our business processes. Like we have Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, App Cloud, Health Cloud, Financial Service Cloud. Yesterday, I have named some of them. Okay, these are the ready-made CRM applications provided by Salesforce. Next, second one is platform as a service, as part of this computing model, cloud computing model, they are providing a platform which is called as force.com platform. This force.com platform offers two programming languages. One is Apex and other one is Visual Force programming. So nowadays we are using Lightning Web Components instead of that. So by using this force.com platform, we can build our custom applications. We can build the custom applications, okay, based on the business requirements. We can develop or build the custom applications for the customers, okay, based on the requirements given by them. It may be any industry. And as part of this third one, infrastructure as a service cloud computing model, Salesforce is providing server resources. in order to store our data and in order to manage our data, they are providing the server resources at 3 regions in the world. They are maintaining the server resources. One is in North America region. Second one, they are maintaining the server resources in Europe region. And third one in Asia Pacific region. Depending upon the country name you are going to select, upon filling up the registration form, memory will be allocated for your organization or for your account in a particular server in that particular region. Clear? These are the 3 cloud computing models we have in IT industry. That is about these cloud services, or we call it as cloud computing models. Software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Okay. Next. Next, we will discuss about what is CRM, basic CRM lifecycle. Okay. As well as what are the various products offered by Salesforce. We will discuss in the next session. Okay, because these are demo sessions. I don't want to go deep into the session so that once I discuss so many things, there is a chance for confusion. Okay, so we will discuss slowly, we'll move slowly because most of them might be new to the CRM platform. Okay, so let us go very slowly because this is fundamentals or introduction only. Okay,